Hello everyone, Justin from Bintelli Powersports here. What is this at my feet? This is the Bintelli F1 folding e-bike. I wanted to first start off showing you it folded so you could see how compact this is. So whether you have a boat or an RV or a camper or you just want to put it in the trunk of your car, this is a great bike to be able to take with you. So this is the only model in the Bintelli fleet that actually folds up. This is using really advanced technology, and you'll see that we have the handlebar stem folded and the bike itself folds in half. So I'm going to unfold it and show you what it looks like when it's completely assembled. So all we gotta do is lock that, and then we're going to lock this hinge, and then there we go. We have the Bintelli F1 folding electric bicycle. It's as easy as that. So I'm going to put this kickstand down so I can show you this bike. So on the F1, why would someone buy this? Because you could transport it anywhere. So as I said, if you're a traveler, if you're here in Charleston, you could put this in the trunk of your car, go downtown to the farmer's market. You don't even have to park right next to Marion Square. You can park anywhere you want. Unfold this out of your trunk, hop on, be ready to go. You could pretty much fit 2 of these in any standard car's trunk. You can put more in the back seat as well. If you go on Amazon, you can find some carrying bags for this to make it even easier. So this has a lithium-ion battery. This battery is removable, so you can choose to either charge the battery up on the actual bicycle, or you could remove the battery, bring it inside if you want to bring it into your apartment, your dorm, your condo, or anywhere else inside. Comes with this rack in the back for cargo. Now the motor on this e-bike is going to be in that back tire. Now it still has 7 Shimano gears, so you can choose to use this as a regular bicycle and not even have it powered on and just drive it with the Shimano gearing, or you can hit this thumb throttle and the bike will propel up to 20 miles an hour without you having to pedal at all. The way that you're usually going to drive this bicycle, though, is with the pedal assist. So this has 3 different levels of pedal assist, and you can choose how much the bike is going to help you out. So you can choose if you want it to help you fully, where you just pedal a little bit, or if you want to pedal a lot, just put on the lowest setting and it'll help you a little bit. Now, the studies have actually shown that if you own an e-bike, you are actually going to pedal and exercise more in a year than if you own a standard bicycle. That is because you're going to take this out of your garage more often. I know with me, my bicycle sat in my garage for years before I had an e-bike, and now they're taken out all the time. So it also comes with a, you got the water bottle here, we have a front headlight, you can see you've got the suspension in the front, that's adjustable and tunable. And it comes with the front and rear fenders included as well. So this is a great e-bike, especially if you're a traveler. It fits pretty much all heights. I would tell you that if you are under 6 feet tall, this is a phenomenal bike for you as well, because it does have the low seat height. This seat is about halfway up right now. You do have suspension on the seat post as well, which will make it really comfortable if you're going over any bumps. So overall, great bike. This is the Bintelli F1. If you have any questions or you want some more pictures or videos or specs or something that I didn't talk about here, reach out to us. Phone number is 843-405-8366. You can also visit us online at bintellipowersports.com. Our dealership is here in Charleston, South Carolina. We do free test drives if you want to test them out. If you're not local, though, we do offer free nationwide shipping, and we have over 100 dealerships nationwide. So contact us if you're interested in the Bintelli F1 folding bike. We may have a dealer in your area. Once again, my name is Justin from Bintelli Powersports. I look forward to speaking with you soon. See you guys. Thank you for watching that video in its entirety. If you have any follow-up questions, please give us a call at 843-405-8366 or visit us online at bintellipowersports.com. Now, just to remind you, we do ship nationwide, so even if you're not in the South Carolina area, give us a call and we can ship directly to your door. We also have many financing options that's good for any nationwide customers. Now, if you are local to the Charleston area, come stop on by. We do offer free in-house layaway, and we have a service center that can take care of any products, whether you bought it from us or not. So whether you're looking for an e-bike or a scooter, a moped or a motorcycle, a golf cart, an ATV, or a dirt bike, we at Bintelli Powersports are here to help you out. Once again, 843-405-8366. If you have any other questions, we look forward to working with you soon. Thanks, guys.